Sarah and I had a little bit of brioche dough left over, so we decided to make something very delicious. In this pan right here, we're gonna place the dough right in here. And let me see if I can get some flour just to dip my fingers in. And we're gonna push it to the edge. And then inside, we are going to place a whole Brie cheese. So we buttered the bottom of the dish so it will slide out easily once it's baked. But now we're simply going to place our cheese. Let's see if I can get it out of the container. And we're going to take the Brie cheese, place it right in the center. And now we're going to have to let it rise. But with this blade, I'm just going to score it. Let's see, let me tighten it up a bit more. There. I'm going to score it like this. And then from the center over this way. And then one more time across like this. Right now you can't see the scoring, but once it's baked, it's going to be very, very nice. I'm going to get a few of these little branches. Actually, I'm going to pull back and lay a few across this way. And that's going to give it a nice flavor. Just like so. Let's see, a little piece here. And then one like that. Now I have this lid. I'm gonna place it on here and allow it to rise. Our oven is lit outside. Here we have just a bit of cream, egg yolk. We're gonna make a quick wash to put right over the outer crust of our brioche dough. This is gonna give it a nice sheen. I'm gonna go all the way around and then in the oven. And this is ready to be brought outside and placed into the oven. I'm gonna place it right here and let the oven do its magic. And here it is. Look at this beautiful crust all the way around, and the cheese in there is going to be beautifully melted. Oh, this is going to be so good. Let's put just a little bit more of the fresh thyme on there. Maybe even sprinkle some on there. And look at that. Now over here, we have some honey. We are going to drizzle the honey right on top. Wow. This is dark honey, and it's so rich and full of flavor. Now all we need to do is gather everybody and dig in. And now the best part. Wow. This is going to be such a wonderful treat. You can have it as an appetizer or just set it in the middle of the table and everybody can get a wedge out. And look at this. Let me cut a little bit more here. This is going to be amazing. Buon appetito!